In industries where numbers move fast, people must move faster together. Teams thrive not just on skills, but on trust, rapport, and relationships. Our training helped strengthen cohesiveness, align project teams, and build the foundations of high performance. Because when teams understand corporate values, they don't just work, they work with purpose. From numbers to people, growth is always a team effort.
My name is Mohammad Sarfraz. We have a training session of 2 days here with Mr. Abhishek Tulla. It was a great experience to be part of this training.
My name is Munir. We have a training session with Mr. Abhishek Tulla, and it has been nice, sportive, and we have really enjoyed the session and we have learned a lot.
My name is Saad. Team enjoyed a lot and they learned basics. They gone in detail. Even training and play sessions which was organized, they were very in detail.
My name is Khalid. We had a training session with Mr. Abhishek Tulla, and having an experience of 20 years, we have listened it, but today we experienced it and it was really nice.